Learn with Zara, an educational channel.
Who is she? She is a teacher. Who is she? She is a teacher. Who is she? She is a girl. Who is she? She is a girl. Who are they? They are a family. Who are they? They are a family. Who is he? He is a doctor. Who is he? He is a doctor. Who are they? She is my mother and my brother. Who are they? She is my mother and my brother. Who are they? They are students. Who are they? They are students. What is that? That is a cat. What is that? That is a cat. Where is she? She is at school. Where is she? She is at school. How is he? He is sick. How is he? He is sick.
Thanks for watching this video of Learn with Zara. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye.